Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just been living la vida bankroll. How the sand go? Got it flooded to my ankles. Need a raincoat. Hey guys, what has happened? It is Mike from Me Futures. It is February 15th. It's a Wednesday. It was a long day of waiting, to say the least. Quick recap. So we went 1 for 1 today. That's all. I took one trade. Wasn't trying to go nuts. There was a shit ton of indecision on the charts today. Stock market was kind of going just in one little range area. I honestly didn't know whether or not there was going to be some buying pressure, selling pressure, whatever have you. So literally had to wait until, oh gosh, 11:45-ish, kind of, somewhere around there. Yeah, 11:45, and this trade probably lasted a freaking hour. I just hung in. That's how slow the market was moving. It was nuts. After all that shit came out as far as all of your financial information, which, by the way, you can find on, I use Financial Juice. Don't know if you guys ever heard of it, but it looks a little like that. So Financial Juice kind of gives you all the times, gives you a little bit of update on absolutely everything. Things in red are going to be some high market volatility. Things in yellow, kind of things in blue, we really don't give a shit about. So just to let you know, that's kind of how that goes. It's kind of what I look for. Yeah, let's. I just realized I just showed it, and you're not seeing it. So let's switch over to the other one where it's an active chart. There we go. So the financial juice that I was talking about. Now that I'm not an idiot, this. So we see yellow, we see red. You know, red is what we really want to look out for. Yellow is also keep an eye out. Blue, not so much. It kind of gives me a really good idea of what's happening business-wise throughout all markets. So today, what did we have? Like I said, today was a long day of realistically BS. So if you take a look, I'm going to pop over to the 5,000 tick chart. This dark line right here is the start of like last night, essentially. But let's go to about 7:30. 7:30, man, literally, we ranged from 41.35 to 41.14 pretty much all damn morning. There was a small spike around 9:45, kind of got in, and then, back down, and we just ranged out. This is where I got in. I got in probably a little later than what I wanted to. I was thinking about getting in when balance of power switched to buyers, but realistically, cumulative delta, when I was looking at my order flow and things like that, it just wasn't volatile, right? It was slow. So when the market is slow like that, I have a tough time reading it because at any point in time, it could go 6 different ways, right? We want to know, kind of have a guide. So got in a little late. I got in, like I said, around 11:40, 11:45. And what I was seeing, let's see if I can pull this over here too. So what I was seeing on the 2000, we kind of had a nice little glow up here, right? Wanted to kind of keep that traction all the way through. Now, I knew there was going to be resistance right around the 55 to 53 mark. Now, originally, I had my stop at 54, or my take profit at like 54.50. I moved it down after this came up and missed it. Kind of brought back down. Nervous as shit because I got into more contracts. And then kind of sold it out at 53.50. Now, this is what I was looking at when it comes to our favorite order flow. Order flow, when we pair this up with the 2000 tick chart, it is magical. So, 9:45, I'm going to get this here. If it'll actually show me my orders, please. Apparently it doesn't want to show me my orders. But, so 9:45 is where, right? Did I get it at 9:45 or 10:45? I'm sorry, 11:45. Shit, I'm way off. Way off. All right, so 11:45 is where it was. Apologies. It's probably showing orders right now that didn't even have to worry about. Yep, so here's my entries. Here's all of that fun jazz. So there was a push. As you can see, there was kind of a top off, I want to say right around, right here, 46 was a previous top off at 950. And that's where we kind of got 46. But what I was really looking at, I was like, all right, something's going to happen. Something's got to happen. We started spoiling up here. If you notice, there was some negative delta, but positive price movement. Cool. I want to take a look at that. And just kind of keep my eye on it. Kind of flattened out. And then I looked at some really good delta on this one here, 1,050 with a lot of imbalance on that. So, and then this one obviously had a higher price move with negative delta. So I'm like, all right, cool, not a big deal. You know, I'm gonna hop in, 2 contracts, hop in, why not? So went up, did pretty well, got in for another 2, thinking it was going to continue to carry to my resistance level that I had marked prior, and it got close. This pretty much kept up with right in that 53.50. I got in for 2 more final contracts at 52.50, thinking that maybe I can get like another, I don't know, 4-point kick up. I was hoping to hit that 56 margin, but it didn't. But this is where we got out. We got out all 6 contracts right at 53.50. So solidly, and this is all, the nice part is it's all above my 100 EMA. Everything looked good. It started to freak me out a little bit on these 2 candles with the amount of negative delta that came in, but obviously we kicked it back up, finally peaked it, and then we were good to go from there. So was still pretty confident in that trade. I wanted to get out a few times, but you know what? Hold strong. It's going to happen. It's going to work. So today's profit, getting us closer to that $150,000 funded account, was $1,162. So we're sitting at $156,139. So we are $3,000 away from hitting that profit goal, getting us into a $150,000 account. Now, I did purchase another one. Apex had a sale literally yesterday. So I purchased another one because I'm gonna get rid of these $50,000 accounts. I'm not going at them anymore. I want more leverage. I want more buying power. I needed to move my stops a little bit differently. So I'm hoping to knock out both of these to have roughly 300,000 in buying power. So wish me luck on that. Again, like and subscribe if you like this content. By all means, shoot some comments down there. Let's hear how you guys did today, this week. All of that fun stuff. Let me see what we got going on for this week. Trade performance. Hopefully it pops up soon. So summary on the 46. When did this week start? This week started on the 13th is when it started. Let's generate that. Yeah, didn't want to do a damn thing, did it? Cool. Gotta love it when that happens. Okay, so. Oh, it's not counting today. Some bitch. So not counting today, just to give you guys an idea of how we're doing this week so far. Positive 4,200. Like I said, today is going to get us over that mark right there to get us into a higher bracket there. Profit factor 4.8. I'm loving that. Right? That's always nice. So we're winning right now. We're winning 75% of our trades. I'm happy about that too. We had 2 losing trades, 9 winning trades, and we had 1 break even. So can't complain on those numbers. Really just trying to hone in the skills a little bit and hopefully continue on. So again, shoot some comments down there. Love to hear you guys. Thank you so much for the current subscribers. I just had a few more pop up, so thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Definitely helps. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.